guys, what's up? Cosmic Charlie's here. We're back at One Fat Frog, picking up our second food trailer here. So let's go in and take a look, shall we? We travel all across the country doing music festivals and concerts. We do burritos, loaded macaroni and cheese bowls, and loaded fries. This is a 12-foot trailer here. This is our second trailer that we had built. If you're looking at food trailers, guys, One Fat Frog really is just the top of the game for food trailers. The amount of work you could do out of a 12-foot trailer is really just incredible. One Fat Frog is the place to be, so thank you guys so much. Really making dreams come true here.